Welcome to Scoliosis SOS Virtual Therapy. I'll be explaining how the virtual therapy works for our new patients. We usually complete our sessions over Skype, but we are flexible to use your preferred platform. If you require assistance setting up Skype, one of our IT technicians are here to help you. Firstly, we will need to complete an initial consultation with you.
Hi Abby, my name is Georgia. I'm one of the therapists at Scoliosis SOS. So I'm just calling you to do your initial consultation today.
Before the consultation, we will ask you to email photographs of your back standing upright, bending forwards, and both side profiles. If you have any other documents such as X-rays or MRI reports, we'll ask you to send those over too. Your consultant will then call you at the agreed time where we will discuss your medical history, including your scoliosis or hyperkyphosis history in detail. We will then talk through your photographs with you, explaining exactly what your spine and muscles are doing. Finally, we will discuss the best options of treatment for you going forwards. If you have any questions throughout the consultation, we will be happy to try and answer them. When booking onto the treatment, we will discuss the necessary pieces of equipment, for example, stretchy bands, a mat, and a ball that you may need. We are able to deliver any pieces of equipment that you do need. Before your first session begins, we will ask you to get a few things ready. We will complete an assessment so that you will have results to compare before and after treatment. If possible, you will need somebody to help you take the measurements. You'll need a plumb line, a piece of string the length of your back with a weight such as a key tied to the end will be great, a sturdy 30 centimeter ruler, a pen to mark your back, and download the Scoliosis Tracker app on your iPhone. We will also ask you to have your equipment accessible. Your therapist will call you over Skype and initially talk you and your helper through the measurements and muscle assessments. Once those are done, we will be ready to start exercising. Your therapist will either talk you through the setup and technique of each exercise or demonstrate the exercise to you specifically for your back. We will then observe you doing the exercise, getting you to position the camera in various ways so that we can see you performing the exercise. We will talk you through the exercise, making any adjustments as necessary, and calling out the sets and repetitions. Throughout the session, your therapist will be taking notes about your treatment, and at the end of the session you will receive an email with detailed descriptions of all the exercises completed during the session, as well as a short exercise schedule for you to complete at home until the next time we see you. Here's what some of our patients have to say about our virtual therapy.
Just finished my session with Luke. It was really good. I feel so much better about myself, and it was really good to go over the exercises and just get a bit of advice and guidance just to check that I'm doing it correctly at home.
You set up your home camera and they set up their camera, and they can watch you do all your exercises real time, just as if you were in the clinic. And if you have questions or you're struggling or something feels weird, you can just stop and work it out right then and there, which is really amazing.
Chrissy has brought very interesting, clever exercises online, which have been actually a lot easier to do than I thought, and I'm delighted by the results.
Just having them be able to see my actual setup and work with me to figure out whether I need to modify how I'm trying to set it up or modify the exercise itself to get the full benefit of whatever I'm trying to strengthen or stretch, etc. And that has been a game changer.
I 100% recommend it to anyone. I definitely want to do this every day now. It's really handy and really good.
I feel so much better. My back is strong and painless. I really recommend it.
So if you are on the fence about trying this virtual class setup, you are missing out. You should just try it because it's awesome. Plus you get to see your therapists and they rock, right? So yeah, it's all like win, 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 and then more win. So try it.
If you have any questions or would like to book in your initial consultation, please give us a call on 0207 488 4428 or email us on inquiries@scoliosissos.com.